Hello everyone, welcome back to French and Pinay Simple Life in the Philippines. It's a wonderful morning today. I wake up late. I need to feed the chickens and the goats. Christian is already done his breakfast and now he is unboxing the post that we've made yesterday. So this is the second post because um we made the first part in the beginning and now this is the second part until to the final height. So now he need to remove the plywood. So as you've noticed, he put bars on the side of the post because he wanted to make a strong wall on this side. So he later on, you will understand the bars on the side. It will be connected to the wall. And charan! Wow. There is the new post. It's nice and this one is, as I've said, it's already on the final height until to the roof. So it's very good feeling to see our hard work. Maybe it's not really a perfect post, but everything can be fixed and repaired, and Christian know how to do that because some parts are not so smooth, but it's a very good work and we are very proud. I'm very proud of what we've made, especially for Christian's hard work, because for it's not the concreting of the post is just a small thing, but the doing the rebars, making sure that it's straight, uh, it's all Christian's hard work. So I'm very amazed of his amazing skill. Good job. And after the unboxing of the post, wow, we continue to work to dig the hole of the for the foundation. So on the other side, it's Christian who did, because I was in Tagbilaran City to do some stuff this morning, and then by the afternoon, when I arrived, it's already the rebars are already ready and the post. So it's a very good work. Christian welded everything. He welded, unlike before that we tie with galvanized wire, but this time for so many foundation and posts that we've had recently, everything is welded, even on the bars on the floor. Christian welded it. And you're already live, so you need to work. Nice.